next, what we have up is the 3 content boxes that we have inside our layout. And of course, the content boxes are going to adjust and shift and change position depending on the device that's being used. So what we're going to do in this exercise anyway is we're going to set it up so that the content boxes contain a textural background rather than this temporary gray color that we've used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my external style sheet. And I think what I'll do is I'll start off with the high resolution media query. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and find his content box. And once again, rather than using the RGB temporary background color, we'll go and use a graphic. So I'm going to grab the RGB color values there and replace it with something like this. URL and then some regular brackets there, regular curvy brackets. Now, the name of the graphic that we're going to use is going to be Content Box BG. Now, once again, watch your capitalization and finish it off with .jpg. Now, if you want to test this first before we continue on, go for it. Head back to your browser and refresh. There we go. There's the nice, lovely textural background there. Perfect. But of course, this is only applying to the high-resolution layout. We've got the other 2 devices to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this URL that you and I just went and inserted, and I'm going to go and copy it and paste it into my other 2 devices. So I'm just going to grab the URL and then the graphic itself, and I'll copy, and then I'll head up to the medium resolution media query, look for his content box, grab his RGB color values there, and paste, like so. Perfect. And then I'll repeat that for the low-resolution device, or the low-resolution media query, looking for his content box and replacing the RGB with the textural background graphic that we have here. Let's save up the works and refresh the browser. There we go, something like this. This is exactly what we want. All right, there we go. So you might want to test this out. The 3 different media queries that we have, the 3 different devices, of course, that we're working with for the 3 content boxes. Looks great. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to go and insert some graphical headings for the 3 content boxes. I've already prepared these graphical headings for us. And once again, they're making use of some commercial-free images from Flickr, so we have to make sure to give credit where credit is due for the Flickr users. So what we'll do in the next exercise is we'll get these guys inserted, and once again, kind of like the slideshow, we're going to run into some interesting challenges and some interesting techniques to fix those challenges that arise. Let's go and dig into it.